As a person, I love him because he's so friendly and it shows in his composition. It's really honest. Whatever he writes, it's so honest, it's so special. He has his own characteristic kind of style. Shows whatever he feels in his music, in his life, through his music to the audience, to the world.